Hello everyone and welcome to Groyyo Learning, your go-to platform for insights in the apparel and textile sector. Today, we'll focus on calculating production capacity in garment manufacturing, a crucial aspect for optimizing operations and managing resources effectively. In apparel manufacturing, calculating production capacity is key to aligning production with demand. This helps factories streamline operations, allocate resources effectively, and meet customer expectations while optimizing production processes. Production capacity refers to the maximum number of garments a factory can produce in a given time frame. It depends on factors like the number of machines, work shifts, worker efficiency, and the standard allowed minutes, SAM, for each garment. To calculate daily production capacity, start by determining the factory's total working hours per day. For instance, with 45 machines operating 8 hours daily, the factory has 360 machine hours available each day. Next, determine the SAM for the garment being produced. SAM is the standard time for an operator to complete one garment. For example, if producing shirts and the SAM is 25 minutes, this value is crucial for calculations. Factor in factory efficiency, which measures performance against maximum potential. If last year's efficiency was 60%, expect similar future performance. This accounts for machine downtime and workforce productivity. With all data, calculate production capacity using the formula. For example, with 360 working hours, a 25-minute SAM, and 60% efficiency, the factory can produce approximately 518 shirts per day. Understanding production capacity is essential for effective planning. With 45 operators, 8-hour shifts, and 60% efficiency, the factory produces 518 shirts daily. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.